G'day everyone. Yesterday I put a post up on the forum mentioning that I'm having problems joining the green belting that we all use. Here's one that I did years ago. I've literally joined hundreds of joins on this green belting. You can see there, after I've done it, I usually bit of toenail, fingernail clippers. I usually get those little dags that you form, just clip them off so you get nice and smooth, but I can't pull that apart. That is so strong. I don't think that would break before it broke anywhere else. It's that strong. But off eBay, this is the new one that I bought, and for the life of me, I'm stuffed if I can get this joined. I'll just give it a go and I'll show you what's happening. I'll just clean these two ends up. So we've got two nice clean ends. I'll put the little gas burner on. Lock that flame in. Hopefully you can see the camera's picking it all up. Okay, got to remember, don't look through the camera's viewfinder. Look over the top so I don't get mucked up. Okay, so I'm going to light the two ends like I always do. Melt them a little bit. Okay, that's a little bit bigger than I usually like, but I'll hold that together. You can see it's starting to cool. Sometimes I'll actually rub these two together between thumb and forefinger, because you can get a nice smoother join, but this time I'll just leave them. You can see how it's fairly big. Okay, the shine's gone off it. Okay, I'll just leave that for a few more seconds, turn the gas off. Okay, now I'm going to put a bit of tension on it. Pull straight off. Now it doesn't matter how long I leave that there, that will not get any harder, and I can literally pull that off. You can see it just comes off like a slime. Pull a bit more off, it just comes off as slime. And if I show you down here, you can see all the bits and pieces where I've tried before just will not join, unlike this other belting. Now this is the new one. That's the new one on the right, and that's the old one on the left. This one's a bit dirtier because it's had a lot of years of use, but you can see it looks exactly the same. It's just cleaner. It's got that rough texture, but I can't join it. Now, over the years I've read so many people having problems joining this, and I've never understood what the problem was. But all I can think now is that there's different batches of this coming out from China through eBay. That's how I bought all mine, through eBay. I have no idea of the seller. I just usually go for the cheapest one with postage, and the sellers change all the time. And it could be like a year or two between me buying 3, 4, 5, 6 metre lengths of this. But this last one, I think it's 6 metres of it, and there's no way that I can join it. I probably tried 30 times to join this. Did a few test joins on the older one yesterday, cut this a few times and joined it straight away. Just between that on the flame, hold it together for 5 to 10 seconds, clip it, and where's the join on this one again? There it is, unbreakable. I'll just show you what I've done over the years. This is all green belt, all joined. So it's not as if I don't know what I'm doing with it. So all I can think of now is that all the people that have had problems over the years, whatever they've made this out of, it's either crap that they've melted down to make it, or it's just a different composition. But there you go. There's a video evidence of me having problems trying to join the green building for running our steam accessories. Okay guys, I'll stop talking now, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye now.